Hi friends! Today we are on Amazon again looking at gift ideas. So let's look for snow globe kits. My little one had one for, I can't remember if it was Christmas or birthday a while back, and she sure enjoyed it. So let's look at some of these. Ooh, Mimoru, or however you pronounce it, has 24-piece ones with cute Christmas themes. There's also this Keepy Pole, make your own water globe kit, which has cute things like unicorns, flamingos, mermaids, snowmen. Oh, this one's more of a sun catcher. Here's another bunch. You've got the 5-inch ones. Oh, they come in different sizes. So this one is a 3.9 inch. This one's a 5-inch. This one is a holiday snow globe one. Create 3 winter wonderlands. This one has a bunch of pine trees and snowmen. This one is a 2.8-inch plastic snow globe. Here are, oh, these come with modeling clay. So in addition to the Santa or snowman or whatever you can mold your own things. Here's, I think this is actually, oh, this one's already a finished musical rotating one. Here is another, this one is a sea creature one with fish, turtles, and a sandcastle. This one, these are cylindrical snow globes. Let's take a look at the reviews on this one. Oh, this one comes with snow bag, lids and gaskets. These almost just look like upside down bottles. It looks like this one has a 53% 5-star rating. Uh-oh. Leaky, cheap mess. Very frustrating craft. You can basically fit 1 snowman or 2 trees. The lids don't seal and the globes leak water no matter what you do. I attempted these with 4 children. Each one has failed us over and over. Also, the trees dye the water. Okay. Well, let's actually maybe look at some of these other ones too since we're looking at them. How about this one? How does this one rate compared to some of the other ones? It looks like this one's got a better star review. And it looks like you just place them in some modeling clay. Let's see what people say about this one. Okay, 70% 5-star rating on this one. So cute and fun. Kids love these, easy to make and use. Super cute and super durable, no leaks. Kids activity, purchase these from Craft Kids for 4, 8, and 12. The kit comes with everything you need except for water. Size of the snow globes is great. Other people say very cute. Rinse the snow prior to adding. Oh, well, that's a good tip to have. Their daughter loved it. Great gift for kids. Fun concept, not that great for kids. Neat concept, good packaging. Very glad it comes with plastic Santa tree, snowman, and reindeer. The amount of clay given seems very little since it takes a lot of time to warm it up and stretch it out. Snow globes are relatively tiny in terms of trying to build something out of clay. The amount of clay needed to build the present is about the size of a whole peppercorn or a small beet, and trying to roll it out and build was nearly impossible for my 6-year-old. Maybe that's why these are normally for 8+. These are not easy to make. I wanted to like this, make your own snow globe kit, but there are too many flaws. You don't get enough clay. Also, it's tough to get a good seal if you plan on using glitter, and kids love glitter. If you use the provided snow, it makes the water cloudy. So that was a little frustrating for them. So, just, I guess, be careful what you plan on doing with them. Let's see. Oh, there's also a dinosaur snow globe kit. This one seems to be fairly well received. Let's see here. Lots of different dinosaurs, 12 packets of clay. You also get clay tools, a funnel, 4 water globes. Ooh, you can do lots of that. This one, a lot of people say fun. Bought it for grandson. Uh-oh, no instructions. Someone didn't get the instructions for this one. And this one has a 52% 5-star rating. So much fun to create and came with all those cute little dinosaurs. So lots of options when it comes to different ones. Here is a fairy light craft one. Wow, that looks kind of fancier. Is this for older kids? Doesn't say how many. All right, well, let's take a look. Butterfly fairy lights. Butterfly nightlight. So you can actually have this snow globe be a nightlight. And did they create it? This one has a 72% 5-star rating. Nightlight project for 5-year-old girl. Granddaughter loves it. Let glue dry for each step. Very pretty. Great kids project. Glowing fairy lights. Super cute. Very good for creativity. I use it as a cake topper for my daughter's birthday. Wow. That's nice. Very pretty when completed. Difficult assembly. Our 6-year-old needed a lot of help. Okay, so maybe this isn't for a 6-year-old. I purchased this for my 7-year-old, and it probably took us around 45 minutes to an hour to assemble. She had fun putting the stickers everywhere, and I assembled the light part for her. Semi-bright. Turn it on at night when she goes to sleep. The ball is plastic versus glass, so it isn't as fragile as it looks. It requires batteries, so be sure to have those ready. Beautiful. Needs a steady hand. Cute craft. Here's a, I guess it's Canada. French, Canadian. Bonne journée. So it looks like people enjoyed it. Lots of different choices here. They've got unicorn snow globes, Santa snow globes, clear plastic snow globes. Wow, lots and lots of different kinds of snow globes. Create your own photo snow globes. Oh, these ones are more crafts. These aren't really. Some of these are more crafts than actual snow globes. Wall collage, sewing kits. Yeah, then this one's more of a craft. This one's not really a snow globe. Here are more snow globes. Ooh, make your own dinosaurs. And here, this one's got some cute Christmas miniatures. Oh, wow. The Chemo Penguin Liquid Motion Bubbler. This is, I don't know if you make this. I think this already comes pre-assembled. Here's some resin miniature ornaments that you could probably stick in a snow globe. Here's more snow globe stuff. Dinosaur lantern, nightlight. That's, I guess, kind of like a snow globe. Make your own snow globe with clay, night light up, and remote musical. Oh, I guess this one's also a musical one. Look at that, and it rotates. Well, that sounds interesting. Let's see how people like this. These are so cute. You can make your own little snow globe set. And they show you how to do some things with the clay. Wow, like making the lollipops. So fun. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's see how this one ranks. Did people like this one? This one has a 67% 5-star approval. Nice kit with room for creativity. I ordered 2 of these kits for my 10-year-olds who love air dry clay. All right, mother-daughter time comes with almost everything you need. Image a bit misleading. Oh, I guess there are not 2 little figures. Or maybe there are. Also allowing it to dry and harden when my little witch fell over and got stuck in the clay in the ground. Very creative toy. Adorable air dry clay set. Fun craft besides the glue. She loved it. Oh, so I guess be careful with the glue. So, lots of fun opportunities. Here's another unicorn snow globe set. Let's see. There's more Christmas ones. I think because it's close to Christmas time, there's a lot of Christmas ones available. Here's a unicorn set with crazy snow. Here's one with cute animals like a lamb and unicorn and a bunny. They have lots of options these days. Look at those cute little things. Okay, how is the approval rating on this one? Waterproof paper on the base of the water globes. Apply multiple layers of varnish on the clay and wait for 2 hours before adding the water and the glue. That's a bit of a wait time. This one only has a 44% approval rating. Cute activity with adult supervision. Adults definitely need to help the kids. My 9-year-old did most of his on his own, but needed my help on some things. But obviously my 3-year-old needed a lot of help. Yeah, definitely not a lot. Varnish not included. Oh, steps 6 and 7 say to apply varnish, and the kit doesn't come with varnish. So make sure you get everything when you order this. This person's also missing their varnish. Cool activity set. Kids love this. Comes in set with 4 globes and everything. This person says the best. So, lots of cool opportunities. Lots of fun gift ideas. I'm sure kids would love some of these. Let's see. Sewing kits. Garden stone kits. We're looking for snow globe kits. This is a snowman kit. Globe lantern with projector. Oh, here's another. Make your own unicorn nightlight snow globe thing. You can also make your own Christmas balls. Those are fun to do too. Here are more fun Christmas ornament crafts. Lots of the. Oh, you can even make your own lantern. Make the glittering. Oh wait, maybe they're already assembled. These might already be assembled. These don't look like something you build. So some of them are and some of them aren't. Although this one is really pretty. Let's look at this one. Battery operated. So you probably could, if you wanted to, buy the pieces for something like this and create your own little lantern snow globe, because you need glitter, you need a container, you need a figurine inside. Oh, some people have really been looking all over for this. I'm looking all over for this lantern. This lantern has an 83% approval rate, or 5-star rating. People love it. It's gorgeous and beautiful, except I guess people expected music. Wife loves it, but expected music. So no, this lantern does not have music. Here is another cute one, except I don't know if this is a snow globe. Yeah, make your own nightlight with these cute little bunnies. Oh my goodness, look at those little bunnies. Those little bunnies are so cute. And this is a nightlight, so I guess you just put those little fairy lights in. So if you're looking for something kind of like a snow globe but doesn't have water, you just put down the tape, you put the cute little grass and the bunnies in it, and then you have your own little do-yourself night. This one has an 82% 5-star rating. People say it is nice, it is super cute. 11-year-old daughter loves it. She put it together herself. So it's not too difficult to build and really nice. Oh, this one says the product quality is too poor. I won't buy in the future. Not in the description. It broke a few days after I bought it. Oh no. So be careful. I guess it's easy to break maybe. Oh, this one person says it did not light up right. So hopefully you get a good set of lights so that it does properly light up. Anyway, hope you guys are all having fun looking for presents and gift ideas. Please like and subscribe and let me know which item you liked best. See ya!